another video. I am Tsholo Phoka for those that are new to this channel. On this video I'm going to be doing this protective hairstyle, which is an updo. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button as well as the notification button to be notified of every time I post a new video. And also do not be shy to leave a comment below because I do respond to those comments. So let's get into this video. I'm going to be doing this updo on freshly washed hair. My hair has been recently washed and moisturized, so I'm only going to use gel at the moment. I'm also going to use a comb to open my lines for the updo, and also some clips to hold the hair while I do my updo. I'm first going to open 3 lines in the front because I'm going to be doing 3 banded cornrows in the front. I'm using the clip to hold the hair that I will not be working on. I make sure that the lines are as straight as I can possibly get them. I am then going to apply some gel just to the roots of the hair that I'm going to be working on right now. I'm basically using the gel so that my roots can lay flat when I do the band braiding, but you can also use just a moisturizer if you do not want that sleek look. I'm also going to use these elastic bands that are actually meant for hair. These ones do not break your hair. They are very slippery, so even if they were to be stuck on your hair, they actually also break easily, so they're very good for hair. They're not damaging. So now I'm going to take a small block which I'm going to be tying with the elastic band. After that, I'm going to be repeating this block 4 times just to have those 4 blocks in front, which we're going to braid thereafter. Once you have your 4 blocks, we're going to braid them back. This is actually just like cornrowing back your hair, but this is easier because now we have 4 blocks which are separated, and we're just gonna take one part and take it back and the other part and take it back, just like you would do when you cornrow braid your hair. Do watch my video on how to cornrow braid your hair if you're struggling at this point. I did not stretch my hair for this hairstyle, I only combed it out. So if you want super defined cornrows, you probably should stretch it out. I do have a video on how to stretch out your hair without using heat. You can watch that if you would like super defined cornrows. I'm going to do 3 of these braided cornrows in front. And these braided cornrows should look like this when you're done, which we are going to pull back. On the front sides, I'm going to sleek down that hair, so we're also going to use 2 twists at the side to hold back that hair. So right now I'm going to open some lines to do our twist at the sides, and we're going to twist that small section of hair to use to hold down the hair in front. I'm going to do these 2 tiny twists to hold the hair in front, and if your hair is not long enough to hold the hair in front, as I'm gonna show you in the coming steps, you can actually use clips to hold that hair in front. You can also use a headband in absence of clips. This updo is all about being creative and seeing what works for your hair and your hair length. I'm going to sleek down the hair in front using my hands, and then I'm going to take one of the twists on the sides and I'm going to combine it with the braids in front by doing a braid. So I'm gonna take the first 2 cornrow braids in front and I'm gonna combine them with the twist on the side to make one braid. I'm going to do the same on the other side by combining the cornrow braids in front with the twist on the sides. Now everything is going to be combined because I had 2 braids in the front and also that 1 twist at the side. Now I'm going to clip in some loose ends of our braid using some hair clips. Try to hide the clips into the hair as much as possible as you can. And that front part should look like this. Now comes the easier part where we're going to do some chunky twists at the ends of the back of our hair. The chunky twists at the back should be loose so that we create volume on our updo at the back. I'm also going to just clip them in and also pin them down so that they do not become unraveled while I'm trying to twist the other parts of sections of my hair. So it's not the final look, but we're just gonna clip them for now. So I have about 7 chunky twists at the back, and how many you make will depend on the length of your hair, because you also want the back to have volume, so you want those twists to be chunky. So I'm going to pin the twist down using hairpins. Basically, I'm taking 2 of the chunky twists and then I pin them down together, making those chunky twists flat at the back. The strategy is to ensure that when you clip in your chunky twist, that you do not create gaps at the back of your hair. So we're making sure to have those chunky twists clipped in together as close as possible. It's all about freestyling at this point, but ensure that it looks neat at the back and also that you do not have a lot of gaps in the back. So now that I'm done, I'm just gonna put a bit of gel in the front of my edges just to make it sleek and just laid in the front. I'm only applying the gel in the areas where we just laid our hair and we didn't do the braids. I'm also using this comb just to lay down those hairs down. I'm using the back of the comb, I'm not using the actual comb. So now I'm just gonna put on a satin bonnet just to make sure that that front is laid as I wanted it to be laid. I'm just gonna put this on maybe for 30 minutes or 1 hour until this gel dries down. So now I'm done with the updo and ready to go. So these are the final results. I'm just gonna show you the sides, the front, and also the back of the hair. What I love about this updo is it's so chilled. You can actually rock it for any occasion. You can wear it going out or you can wear it going to work. It's suitable for any occasion. And I also think it's not that quite difficult to do. You just need a bit of time to actually do it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and will be trying out this protective hairstyle. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.